Okay, question arose, how do you set the tab order of data entry? Right now, if I hit my tab key, as you can see, I added a new field, serial number, but yet I'm not tabbing into it. All right, well, let's go into the designer. And in the designer, up here, we want to say tab order by example. And what you're going to see is when that option is on, there's numbers under each text box. There's also a number underneath the label, but that's not tabbed into, so we're just going to ignore those. So what we want to do is tab by example. So I want to say, click there, go to subscription first, then type, then serial, then plug in, then serial number. So now you see I have a tab order. So it's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's a tab order now. Now if I close this down and save changes, you'll see that my tab order is now set. Okay, here we have a more complicated data entry screen. So let's go into the designer and go to tab order. As you can see, we still have the 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 here, but we have a control panel and a tab control here. So these objects, these controls are tabbed into. So after email, it's going to tab into or put focus into number 5, which is the panel. Then inside number 5, you want to set this order here. And the same thing happens as we go to 6, we'll set this order inside of 6. And if we go to other tabs, other places, so that's why some of your pages start to look complicated, because it's 5.1, 5.2, because this text box is in control number 5, and its order in that control is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now that we have the tab order set, let's go in and use it. So I am in position number 0 or 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Now I tab into the control. Now I tabbed into the panel, and the panel has its own internal order, 1, 2, and 3. The next thing I do is I'm going to tab onto the tab control. I know a lot of tab words here. Now I'm on this tab control, I can actually hit the right and left arrows to navigate down the tabs. But I'm going to tab number 2, and I'm going to hit the tab key. And you can see now inside of this tab page, there's the order of it. And once I click out of that tab page, it'll loop through, finding no more controls to tab into, and it goes back to position number 1 and starts over again. Okay, thank you for attending.